I've been thinking recently about the narratives that run in my head and the things that I'm meditating on or living or thinking about that are not true anymore. So today I decided to do a little meditative divination exercise with these cute little crow stones or crow stone oracle. So I randomly pulled two crow stones to represent the narrative that is no longer true, and the second one is the narrative that is true or I need to incorporate into my life. So here they are. This one is the one that needs to go number 8, and this is the willow tree or the tree of grief. It represents winter and circumstances that created a lot of trauma and pain, and also having to rely on time as a way to heal things and believing that you are stuck in this state of winter and state of grief, which is not true anymore. Really happy to get this one though, is the new narrative. This is a smiley face. This is happiness and joy and allowing myself to move beyond that trauma, beyond the pain, and to allow myself to enjoy life, happiness, and be playful and trust that things are working out in beautiful, wonderful ways that will give me joy. Amen.